Are you tired of dealing with stubborn joint pain and inflammation? Imagine a natural remedy that can help pull inflammation out of your joints and out of your body, bringing you comfort and relief. Today I'm going to share with you a powerful turmeric paste recipe that can help transform your health by reducing inflammation and easing discomfort. Welcome, friends, to your channel, Be Healthy Talks. Please press the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. All this information is science-backed, and research references are provided in the description below. Let's start with turmeric. This golden spice has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Its active compound, curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory agent. Curcumin works by inhibiting molecules involved in inflammation, such as cytokines and enzymes like COX-2. This makes it highly effective in reducing chronic inflammation, which is often linked to conditions like arthritis, heart disease, cancers, and many other chronic conditions as well. Next, you have black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, a natural substance that enhances the bioavailability of curcumin by up to 2,000%. Piperine does this by inhibiting certain digestive enzymes, allowing more curcumin to enter the bloodstream. This synergistic relationship between turmeric and black pepper maximizes the anti-inflammatory effects of curcumin. And raw honey is more than just a sweetener. It has natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Honey can help modulate the body's immune response, reducing inflammation and promoting healing. Its soothing nature also makes the turmeric paste more enjoyable so that you'll actually want to take it. Lastly, we have coconut oil. Coconut oil is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, which are easily absorbed and utilized by the body. These healthy fats aid in the absorption of fat-soluble compounds like curcumin. Additionally, coconut oil has its own anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce inflammation and support your joint health, as well as other organs in your body. So let me share the simple ingredients with you. You're going to take your turmeric, and you're going to get 1 tablespoon of turmeric and put it into a small bowl. Then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of raw honey into the bowl as well. After that, you're going to take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, but I want your coconut oil warm just a little so that it softens and becomes more liquid instead of staying hard at room temperature. Once it's melted or semi-liquid, you can pour it together into that bowl, then you'll mix everything together. Next, I want you to add about 5 dashes of black pepper. Remember, the black pepper helps turmeric get into the cells up to 2,000 times more effectively. And the great thing about coconut oil is that the fat also allows the turmeric to enter the cells more quickly. It's very, very effective. After you mix everything together, you're going to put the mixture into a small plastic container or whatever container you prefer and put a cover on it. What's great is that when you place it in the refrigerator, it becomes solid, like a firm paste. When you're ready to use it, you'll take about a 1/4 teaspoon. Take a small 1/4 teaspoon on an empty stomach, preferably first thing in the morning. You can take it again later in the day if you choose. Place it underneath your tongue and let it sit there until it melts. Your sublingual area will assimilate it directly into the bloodstream. You're going to get very, very quick results this way. Let's recap the timing for optimal results. Taking it about 15 to 20 minutes before a meal on an empty stomach is effective, or you can take it 1.5 to 2 hours after eating to maximize absorption and effectiveness. When it comes to incorporating this turmeric paste into your daily routine, this is definitely a great way to help reduce inflammation, naturally, whether it's in your joints, your organs, or your tissues. Remember, all pathologies, all conditions, all pain, all weakness, and all disease carry inflammation. And if you can remove that excessive inflammation, you're going to feel better, you're going to heal faster, and you're going to be much happier so you can live a pain-free life. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share it with your friends and family and leave your comments below. I will see you in the next video.